We would like to thank Ma'am Tony Miranda for this wonderful talk. It really encourages people to really parang improve.
Yes.
Improve oneself kasi yun yung magre-reflect sa characteristics ng bawat leaders. So para mas ma-bring out yung mga kung ano talaga yung potential ng bawat employees under us.
Yun. So, thank you Ma'am Tony for this wonderful chance na maging part nitong training. And sana more
trainings
training to come. And sana marami pang
matulungan.
Matulungan.
Thank you.
Thank you.